So, good morning, class. Today we'll be starting from taskbar. Till here we had done before in the last video of ours. Now, taskbar. Taskbar, it is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. When we see the desktop page like this, at the bottom of this there is a bar. On this, first start button is there. Then some programs which we can open, then the program on which we are working. These will be shown in a blue highlighted part. A light blue highlighted part will be there. That will show that these are the program on which we are working. Those are opened right now. These programs will be open. Those which are in blue highlighted color, these are opened programs. वो क्या है? Open programs है which are in the blue highlighted mode. And at the corner there is a small dash here and the blank area, this small blank area. So this is the desktop area. This is the desktop show button. If we will click on this, it will show us the desktop. And there it is the clock here. Then here is the notification area. In this we will be getting the notifications about the update, about the antivirus, about everything, about the window update and everything. We will get the notification here. So let us see and read the things one by one, how it will be moving. So the icons, the programs which are shown here, that I have told you that we can open the programs from here. So these are known as quick launch icons. Quick launch icons means quickly, just by clicking we can open it. We don't have to click on start button, then we don't have to search for the program to open. No. For the programs which are pinned at the taskbar, we just have to click the icon and it will be opened. So these are known as quick launch icons. And that I have told you, you can see the difference better. If I'll zoom it out some bit, see. For these programs, these are simple. And here, for these programs, you can see there is a separation by blue mark. Now, these are little highlightation is there from the blue color. So these are the programs which are opened. These are showing the opened program. And these are the programs which are not opened, but we can open just by clicking. These are quick launch icons and these are the programs which are opened. These are opened programs. So, opened program and quick launch icons, these can be distinguished by the highlightation. Okay. Now, moving towards start button. Start button, it is present on the left corner of the taskbar. We click it, then a list of programs will open. So it consists of all the programs, all the softwares which are installed in our computer. And it also shows various options to do the settings for the computers. So this is the start button. When we will click on start button, then this kind of list will open. So these are the installed programs in the computer. In this list, these are installed programs in the computer. And here you can see these options. These are the options which are used for setting and opening some manipulation work. And here at the bottom, this box, this small box, the white box, In this is the search box. It is also present in the start button menu. When we will click on start button, this will open, and in this we will see some manipulation work icons and the programs installed, and with that search box also. So it will, and the shutdown button also should be there. Here it is the shutdown button. In the start menu, it also consists shutdown button. Now, thereafter, then we come towards quick launch icons. Quick launch icons. Quick launch icons are known as quick launch icons because we don't have to look for them. We don't have to go to the start menu, then we don't have to search for the program. These are already there on the taskbar. We just have to click on that option, that program, and then it will be open. So to open it, we are just a click away. We are just a click away. हम सिर्फ एक click से ही दूर हैं. Just हमने उसको click किया and it will be open. Okay. But if the programs are not there on the taskbar, so we have to search those programs from the start button. So that is the difference in quick launch icons and the other icons. Now opened program icon, here it is clearly seen. See, you can clearly identify this Chrome, this Paint, and this PowerPoint, and this document folder. These all four are in highlightation, the light blue highlighted. You can see this, if this is the icon, then around this there is another box. You can see the box clearly, but to this music player, the box is not seen. The same box is not seen. So this is the quick launch icon, it is shown here, and others are opened. We have already opened other programs. So this is the difference between quick launch icons and the open program icons. The taskbar also displays the opened program, that which programs we have opened, on which we are currently working. Whichever files, whichever windows we have opened, that it will be reflected on the taskbar. When we will place the mouse pointer on any of the file out of these, then it will show us the preview. It will show us the preview of the file that this work we are doing on this. Then I will put the cursor on this. I have put my pointer of the mouse here. So as I have put the pointer of the mouse here, it will show a window like this. When I will move the pointer of the mouse here on the paint option, so it will show the paint window, that how you are working over here. So we can get a quick review of our opened program from the taskbar. Now notification area. As I have previously told you that it will give you the notification around everything. It is present on the right side of the bar. In this, it is displaying the current date and time. Here the volume button also present. This is the volume button. You can see a speaker. This is the volume button. It also shows the battery information. It is the battery information, that your battery is discharged, you have to put it on the charging, or it has kept on charging. And this flag, this small flag you can see, this will show you the notifications. In the flag, notifications will come. Notifications mean the information regarding any update or anything else, whatever it is there. So we will get the information or any feedback in this. Show desktop button, that I had already told you. After the clock, you can see some blank area. This is the blank area now. So this blank area, when you will bring the pointer of the mouse here, this will show you the desktop. Okay, the buttons of the desktop it will show. Okay, now starting of the program. How do we start or open a program? If we want to open a program, we first go to start button. After going to start button, we will click on all programs option. When we will click on all programs option, this window will open. In this, all the programs will be there. Then out of this, whichever program we want to open, we can click on that program and then that program will be opened in front of us. So first we will be clicking on start button, then we will click on all program, then the list will open. From that list we will select the program which we want to open and then that program will be opened. And using taskbar, see, whatever program, like say there are 3 programs on the taskbar. This document, player and the Google Chrome. So if we want to open all these 3, so we can click from the taskbar. Click on this, it will open. Click on this, it will open. Right click on this, it will open. So like this, we can open these programs from the taskbar. These are quick launch icons. So we have to click on any of the quick launch icon and then that icon, that program will be open. Now shortcut also we can use, like Google Chrome, there is shortcut. How do we come to know that this is shortcut? You can see this arrow. This small arrow you can see. This arrow shows a shortcut. On whichever icon you will see this arrow, that means that icon is a shortcut. So shortcut can be opened when you will right click on the shortcut, then the menu will come. In that menu, on the top there is open. You will click on open, then that particular program will be opened in front of you. Okay. Now see, if they have opened the calculator. Now they want to close it. So from here you can use the red button to close it, and this dash button, this is the dash button. This is minimize button. Minimize means to make the window very small so that it will just be shown on the opened program on the taskbar. If in the taskbar, it will be shown in the opened program that here you have opened the calculator. But exactly on the desktop, it will not be open. So when you need to open it after minimizing it, you will need to open it again. Then what you have to do, you have to click from the taskbar and then that will be opened in front of you again. Okay, so these are the, now there is restore button in this. This is the button. Means the size which you have if you have reduced the size of the window, then by clicking on restore button, the previous size can be stored again. So this is the restore button of the window. Okay, now screensaver. We can change the screen of the window or the desktop. We can use the screensaver. Screensaver is moving image. Screensaver is the moving image. It will keep on moving. Like in phone also, we used to apply screensavers and those screensavers are moving. Like some scenery. So in that water will flow. We can see that water is moving. We can see that sun is shining bright. So that is the screensaver in which we can feel the things moving. And it will appear on the monitor. When it will appear on the monitor, screensaver will appear on the monitor. See, you must have seen those who are using laptops or computers at home. They must have seen that while doing some work on the computer, if you have left the computer or the laptop unattended for some time. Unattended means, like say, if you are doing some work and while doing some work, someone has called you. So you have gone there to that person who has called you and it took you 15 to 20 minutes there. So during that time, what will happen? When you will come back, you will see that there is the black screen which will show that the computer is in sleep mode. when you will not use the computer for some time, it will go to sleep. Okay, so at that time, when you have applied the screensaver, so instead of black screen, you will see that screensaver there. Okay, so it will be showing on the monitor when computer has not been used for some time. So when computer is not being used for some time, that time it will be showing the screensaver. This saves the screen from burning out. Burning out means this saves the screen from getting black. Burning out means getting black. Because if you will not apply the screensaver, the screen will look black. If you will apply the screensaver, so it will be screensaver there at that time. So we can choose the screensaver. So how to set the screensaver? First, right click on the empty area of the desktop. On the desktop, click anywhere and do the right click. Now you will see this window, this pane pop-up menu you will see, and at the last of this there is the personalize option. Personalize means choice is ours. Personalize means our own thing. We can modify as per our choice. Whatever we want to select, we can select that. So we will click on personalize. Then from the personalize option, the window will come. We will click on screensaver from there. Then so many screensavers will come in front of us. Then we will select one screensaver and then the drop down list will come and then we will click on OK and the screensaver will be applied on our computer. If we want to preview it, means we want to see that how it will look. So we can click on preview option as well. Before clicking on OK, we can click on preview option. From here, it is showing preview. So before clicking on OK, we can click on preview option. So it will show you that how it will look on the screen. Bubbles are coming. Okay. Now, if you don't want to preview, then you can directly click on apply and then click on OK. That we want to apply this screensaver. Now shutting down Windows, you all know how to shut down the computer. We will click on start button. Then from the start button, we can see the shutdown button here. We will click on that and then the computer will shut down. So this was your chapter. You have to read it and you have to complete it in your book and notebook. Alright students, bye bye everyone.